In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Position Statement. The position statement is your home base for keeping track of what you currently hold and how those positions are performing. To get there, open Thinkorswim, head to the Monitor tab, and select Activity and Positions. Then scroll down to the section labeled Position Statement. This is where you'll spend most of your time reviewing active trades. If your screen looks busy, don't worry. Everything here is organized into columns designed to give you a clear snapshot of your portfolio. Let's walk through what you're seeing. The instrument column lists the symbol or ticker for each position. Right next to that is Q2I, which shows how many shares or contracts you hold, with negative numbers indicating short positions. Trade price is your entry price, essentially what you paid or received when you opened the trade. Mark is the current market price, and it's what Thinkorswim uses to calculate live profit and loss. PL Open shows your total unrealized profit or loss since you opened the position, and PL Day shows how much you're up or down today only. If the numbers jump around a bit, that's normal. Mark is dynamic and updates with the market. If you want more detail on a position, click the small arrow next to the symbol to expand it. This is especially helpful for multi-leg option trades, where you'll see each leg broken out with its own quantity, price, and Greeks, as well as any additional specs that help you understand how the overall strategy is behaving. From here, you can manage a position directly. Right-click on any position to bring up powerful actions. Close position will build an opposite order to flatten that trade, so you can quickly lock in gains or control risk. Analyze Trade opens the risk and profit analysis so you can visualize scenarios before making a move. Create Alert lets you set price or mark triggers to stay on top of key levels without staring at the screen. And View Chart or Company Info gives you fast context to the underlying you're trading. To keep things organized, use the three-line Show Actions menu at the top of the position statement. You can group symbols by type, industry, or account to reduce clutter and see related positions together. You can also arrange positions by instrument, trade time, or order, which is handy if you want to review what you entered most recently or sort alphabetically. That's the position statement in Thinkorswim. How to find it, read it, expand it, manage trades from it, and organize it so it works the way you do.